So guys, there's a finished product. Garlic buttered shrimp with white rice and veg. So guys, remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Remember, Big Papa vibes with Jamaican versions in the kitchen. So guys, tell me what you think. I know I haven't cooked something in a while, so I just did this quick cooking to catch up on you guys. So let me know what you think. This is my version of garlic butter shrimp with white rice. So remember guys, like, share and subscribe to the channel. Big Papa vibes in with Jamaican versions.